National Weather Service has issued a severe warning for eastern Winnebago County, western McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County, until 3:45 a.m. At 2:44 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Clinton to near Catherine to near Cherry Valley, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Beloit, Belvedere, Woodstock, Loves Park, Nacasney Park, Roscoe, Harvard, South Beloit, Rockton, Baringo, Poplar Grove, Candlewick Lake, Wonder Lake, Cherry Valley, Richmond, Sharon, Catherine, Hebron, and Timberlane. Including the following interstates: I-39 between mile markers 121 and 123. I-90 between mile markers 0 and 39. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Rivets Baseball, and Rockford Speedway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.